Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change permission of a sharing file oblique folder in Google Drive. Friends, sometimes we share a file or folder with view only permission and due to some reason later we feel to change permission from view only to editor so that all other members will able to do changes in the shared file or folder. So to change permission, first we need to open drive.google.com. Now in my Google Drive account, as you can see, I have shared some files. So if you want to change sharing permission of any of the file, then you simply need to right click on the file. Now from here you need to select share. Now here in this pop-up window you can see the sharing permission for this file is view only. So any person having the shared link can only view this file, but he will not be able to make any changes in this file. So if you want other members to make changes to this file, then you need to change permissions from here. Here you need to select editor. Now you have changed permission from view only to editor. Now press on done. Now friends, you have successfully changed the share permission for this file. So friends, like this you can very easily change permission of a sharing file or folder in Google Drive. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.